What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best under-desk treadmills. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. The Godless 2-in-1 folding treadmill has a number of features that make it a great choice for home use. First, it's very compact. The treadmill folds up easily for storage, so you can easily tuck it away when you're not using it. Second, the treadmill is very affordable. It's priced at just under $300, which makes it a great option for budget-minded shoppers. Third, the treadmill is very easy to use. It has a simple control panel that makes it easy to adjust the speed and incline of the treadmill. I was really impressed with the performance of the Godless 2-in-1 folding treadmill. The treadmill has a powerful motor that can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. The treadmill also has a number of different workout programs that can help you reach your fitness goals. Overall, I was very impressed with the Godless 2-in-1 folding treadmill. It's a great option for people who are looking for a compact, affordable, and easy-to-use treadmill. If you're looking for a new treadmill, I highly recommend checking out the Godless 2-in-1 folding treadmill. Here are some additional details about the Godless 2-in-1 folding treadmill. Motor, 2.25 HP speed, 0.6 to 10.5 miles per hour incline, 0 to 10%. Weight capacity, 265 pounds. Dimensions, 60 x 24 x 48 inches. Weight, 100 pounds. Compact and affordable, easy to use, powerful motor, variety of workout programs, folds up for storage. The Sunny Health Fitness Walkstation Treadmill. This is a great little treadmill for people who are looking for a way to get some exercise without having to take up a lot of space. It's also great for people who want to be able to work out while they're working or watching TV. The Walkstation treadmill is very easy to set up. It comes in 2 pieces, and it only takes about 10 minutes to put it together. Once it's assembled, it's very easy to use. There's a simple control panel with buttons for adjusting the speed and incline. There's also a display that shows you your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. The Walkstation treadmill is very quiet. It's perfect for using in your home, office, or bedroom without disturbing anyone else. It's also very lightweight, so you can easily move it around your house. I've been using the Walkstation treadmill for a few weeks now, and I'm really happy with it. It's a great way to get some exercise without having to go to the gym. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking for a compact and easy-to-use treadmill. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Sunny Health Fitness Walkstation Treadmill. Compact and lightweight, quiet, easy to set up and use, multiple speed and incline settings. The display shows the time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Affordable, not very powerful. Short belt, no heart rate monitor. Overall, I think the Sunny Health Fitness Walkstation Treadmill is a great little treadmill for people who are looking for a way to get some exercise without having to take up a lot of space. It's also great for people who want to be able to work out while they're working or watching TV. If you're looking for a compact and easy-to-use treadmill, the RHYTHM Fun Under Desk Treadmill has a number of great features, including a compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to store or move around, a quiet motor that won't disturb others, a variety of speed and incline settings to accommodate different fitness levels, a built-in fan to keep you cool while you work out, a display that tracks your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. There are a number of benefits to using an under-desk treadmill, including increased energy levels, improved cardiovascular health, reduced stress levels, weight loss, improved mood, increased productivity. I've been using the RHYTHM Fun Under Desk Treadmill for a few weeks now, and I'm really happy with it. It's a great way to get some exercise without having to go to the gym. I've noticed that I have more energy throughout the day, and I'm sleeping better at night. I've also lost a few pounds, and I feel overall healthier. Overall, I think the RHYTHM Fun Under Desk Treadmill is a great little treadmill for people who are looking for a way to get some exercise without having to take up a lot of space. It's also great for people who want to be able to work out while they're working or watching TV. If you're looking for a compact and easy-to-use treadmill, I would definitely recommend the RHYTHM Fun Under Desk. The Lifespan TR1200 Under Desk Walking Treadmill. This treadmill is perfect for people who want to get some exercise while they're working at their desks. It's compact and quiet, so you can use it without disturbing your coworkers. The TR1200 has a 2.25 HP motor that can reach speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. It has a 20x50 walking surface, which is large enough for most people. The treadmill is also very quiet, thanks to its whisper quiet technology. The TR1200 comes with a variety of features that make it easy to use. The console is easy to read and has buttons that allow you to control the speed, incline, and other settings. The treadmill also has a built-in fan that helps to keep you cool while you're walking. I've been using the TR1200 for a few weeks now, and I've really been enjoying it. It's a great way to get some exercise while I'm working at my desk. I'm not as tired at the end of the day, and I've even lost a few pounds. If you're looking for a compact, quiet, and easy-to-use under-desk treadmill, I highly recommend the Lifespan TR1200. It's a great way to get some exercise and improve your health while you're working at your desk. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Lifespan TR1200 under-desk walking treadmill. Compact and quiet, easy to use, variety of features, affordable, not as powerful as some other treadmills, not as durable as some other treadmills, not as many workout programs as some other treadmills. Overall, I think the Lifespan TR1200 under-desk walking treadmill is a great option for people who want to get some exercise while they're working at their desks. It's compact, quiet, and easy to use. It's also affordable, which is a plus. If you're looking for a treadmill that can help you stay active and healthy while you're working, I highly recommend the Lifespan TR1200 under-desk walking treadmill. The Goyeth 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill has a number of features that make it a great option for people who want to get some exercise while they're working at their desks. These features include a compact design that makes it easy to store under your desk, a quiet motor that won't disturb your coworkers, a variety of speed settings to accommodate different fitness levels, a built-in fan to help you stay cool while you're walking, a display that shows you your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. There are a number of benefits to using an under-desk treadmill. These benefits include increased energy levels, improved cardiovascular health, weight loss, reduced stress levels, improved mood, increased productivity. If you're looking for a way to get some exercise while you're working at your desk, the Goyeth 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill is a great option. It's compact, quiet, and easy to use. Plus, it has a number of features that can help you improve your health and fitness. If you're interested in learning more about the Goyeth 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Do you want it the best? You got it. So that's it for the top 5 best under-desk treadmills.